Hi, Krystle. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. I found your Facebook page here and a link to your ocdreamliving.com, which I have pulled up here. So today we're going to talk about a couple things. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, HomeLight, Realtor.com, Trulia. I know a lot of times people think, hey, I got a URL, so I'll put it on my Facebook and I'll put it out there as much as I can, which is good, but how much value is that bringing you? Most of the time, people that aren't your friends aren't going to find it, and people that don't have aren't close to you or close to the people that aren't going to find it. You want your website to be thrown in front of everybody, and in all search engines you want to be on the first page, and so you can get there if you implement a couple things properly and you do it right. So first is content. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. This is content. Content isn't just the words, though. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so I'm not sure if this is your brokerage, or if this is a brokerage that you're working under, or exactly what's going on. It looks like it's your URL, your domain for sure, but I'm not sure if Realty One Group West is your... I'm not sure exactly what's going on. So if you have the ability to change this website, I would highly recommend doing so. You want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So you kind of just have a basic main page here about me, very short snippet. You got some photos, couple listings, but we don't have very much content. So the more content you have, the more valuable you become to the internet, and the higher up you're going to rank, and the more visible your website's going to be. So 1,500 words. I would recommend getting a buyer page and a seller page, and then having 1,500 words on each of those. Maybe give some information on mortgages, but you would want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. And then also your photos. So you want your photos saved the right way. So if this is saved as red line going up in a graph with bigger houses, it's not going to help you, right? So a lot of times when we upload photos, they're saved as just random file names with just random letters and texts and emojis. That's no good. So you want to make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords, and then you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Next, so I typed in Huntington Beach, California Realtors. It doesn't actually show a location on your website, but I did do some digging, and I believe you're in Huntington Beach, so that's what I chose. The next thing is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And so those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All of those directories are going to give you citations. Citations are going to help you rank in the map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Huntington Beach, California Realtors. We got Huntington Beach Realty, First Team Real Estate. We got Coldwell Banker, okay? You're not there. And then your website's also not here in the first page either. So, how many people are going to go to the second or third page to find a brokerage or to find a realtor? Probably not that many. But if you're thinking, hey, well, I'm just a realtor. Like I said, I don't know if you're a realtor or a broker either, but I just want to point this out. If we go into this drop down here, you can see that, who do we got? Jay Valento. We got Adam Rennick, Gantry Wilson, McLeod Realty, George Lambert. So these guys are popping up, right? So I don't think you have a Google My Business page. I would highly recommend getting a Google My Business page, getting some citations to it. So I wanted to use Jay Valento's Google My Business page as an example for this video. Basically, this is what it is. We recommend 25 reviews. So if you had even 2 reviews, you're going to beat Jay and you're going to be up higher than him, right? You also want to make sure to have 10 photos minimum. And then again, just make sure you save those photos right. So Jay is like on the first, like in the first 10 or so. He's bringing in leads from that. So you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved right. You're going to want 10 photos, and then you're going to want 25 reviews. But I would highly recommend getting a Google My Business page. and getting some citations to it, because that's definitely going to help you rank up and bring in some leads. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that ocdreamliving.com can be found on the internet, anywhere. And so you actually have 4 backlinks from one domain. You're ranking for 0 keywords, and you have a domain rating of 0.3. Basically, no one's going to find you. No one's going to find your website unless they either A, look on your Facebook page and click on the link, or they find a business card at a local diner that has your ocdreamliving.com. But your website's not being found for when they type in anything about Southern California real estate or Huntington Beach real estate, and that's really what you want to do. So you're going to need to get some more backlinks. The thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy. That's the most important thing. But this domain rating here is out of 100. So you're at a 0.3. The only benefit I can see to not having that many backlinks currently is that you don't have to remove a lot. A lot of times we see people that have thousands of backlinks, but their domain rating is only a 10 or a 15 out of 100, and they got to go in and remove them. So you have only one way to go, and that's up with your website. But other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring you some lead revenue this upcoming season. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thanks for watching.